Hi, how would you like to make some extra money making your own schedule and having the ability to work from anywhere in the world? In a few seconds, I'm going to show you how teaching English online can make that happen. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I'll be uploading new videos weekly to answer your questions about everything having to do with teaching English online. Welcome back. Hi, my name is Rick. I teach children one-on-one classes over the internet anytime I want, from anywhere I want, and I earn between $15 to $22 an hour. ESL is the acronym for English as a Second Language. That's right, teaching English to people whose first language is not English. Here are some truths of what I've learned while working with one of the largest and most popular online English companies, Vipkid. Truth number one, you make your own schedule. You simply use their calendar in the teacher app and mark the days and times you want to work. Since students are mainly based in China, you teach in their time zone. China is roughly 13 hours ahead of the United States and Canada. That means waking up earlier than usual and downing a pot of coffee. Since students only see from your chest and above, it's okay to keep your pajama bottoms on if you want. Truth number two, as long as you have internet and connection to Wi-Fi, you can teach from anywhere in the world. Well, almost anywhere in the world. Imagine sitting in a tropical bungalow, teaching a quick class before hitting town or taking a dip in the water. Truth number three, there's very little class preparation involved. After you're hired, I'll show you how it takes me 30 seconds to prepare for a class. Once in your virtual classroom, each PPT slide contains suggestions for you. The slides themselves dictate what the student is supposed to do. For example, choose the correct word to make a sentence. It's a no-brainer. Truth number four. Now let's talk money. Starting base pay with Vipkid is now $7.50 for each 25-minute class. Then you're paid an additional 80 cents to as high as $3.20 on top of that $7.50 per class. Then there are short notice classes. If a student books your class within a 24-hour time frame, you get another $2 for that class. It's actually pretty good money for doing something so fun and easy. But there's one more final truth. A teacher receives a $100 bonus for each teacher they recruit. This can add up fast, and it's just one more incentive you have to look forward to. So, if you want the freedom to spend more time with your family, your friends, and the ability to travel and work from anywhere, you might want to consider teaching online ESL. I want to thank you for watching my channel and hope you learned something new about an alternative work style. I'd love to guide you through the hiring process and tell you all the tips and tricks of making your teaching journey fun and easy. Also, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button below and ring my bell. See you in a few days to learn about other tips and tricks for teaching online ESL. Happy journey! Aloha!